High-quality YouTube TV ads no longer require a full production team. You can now create campaign-ready content faster with fewer resources and none of the usual production delays. With the right free AI tools, creating a polished professional ad is easier than you think and faster than you'd expect. Using a tool like InVideo, you can start by selecting a 15 or 30-second template designed for your industry, whether it's food, fashion, finance, or something else entirely. Upload your logo, adjust the colors to match your brand, and develop messaging that captures attention, explains your value, and motivates your audience to act. Choose background music or elevate your ad with a voiceover. If you don't have a mic, AI voice tools make it easy to narrate your message with clarity. Export in full HD and get ready to launch. With Digital Services, your ad can be live on YouTube TV in as little as 7 days, putting your brand in front of the audiences that matter most. With production finalized, the next step is deployment. Deliver your creative across YouTube TV and reach your audience at scale. Want to see your ad live on YouTube TV or YouTube Select? We've made it simple.